Well, good Friday afternoon to you. Lord of mercy, it's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my muddy home in the sticks. I hope everybody is having a sure enough good Friday. Looking forward to the weekend. But what I wanted to say to you and y'all is, Lord, if you're a new subscriber to the channel, I want to welcome y'all. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank y'all for coming back. But over here in East Central Mississippi, it's not raining right now, but it looks like it's finna come a flood. But what I wanted to share with you and y'all is in them 16-foot raised beds. So give me a second and that's what I'm finna show you. All right, you and y'all, here we are at these 16-foot raised beds, and Lord, everything is still growing. Here's my stonehead cabbage. There's a nice one right there. I'm probably gonna get it this weekend. And I have a bunch more starting to form some heads. Here's a good one right here. Lord, look at my dang broccoli. It looks like it's finna go to flower. Well, it has gone to flower. Look there. I don't think I'm still gonna pick them jokers and eat them. But look there. Got a bunch of flowerets or broccoliettes, some little bitty old small broccolis. But yeah, I'm gonna harvest them jokers too. But all of this stuff has grown like a lot. But the thing about it is, it's been raining so much here for the last couple of weeks that I just never really had time to get out here and tend to this garden. Except for today, I was like, yep, today would be a good day to get out here and show you what's still growing in the winter raised bed. There's my true blue Georgia collards, and them jokers are still putting out collards. I mean, I'll probably harvest a few of these leaves here this weekend. Strange part about it is, yesterday it was about 70 degrees. Today it's in the low 40s, high 30s. So I'm like, gracious, it's just, There's my other two rutabagas, still growing. Yeah, dang, that's a dual rutabaga. I ain't never seen that. Look at that, two of them right there. Wow. But I had somebody, I think it was Ryan over at Little Dirt Never Hurt. He was kind of like, dang, Dan, you are still growing brassicas over there in late December. Well, it's early January now, and stuff is still showing up growing. I'd imagine, I don't think we're gonna get just any low temperatures over here. But then again, I really don't know that. But I'm just gonna let these guys keep going and growing, and I'm just gonna keep harvesting them till they die back. And what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to get these true blue collards to go to seed. I've actually never seen that before because I just eat everything off the collard plant leaves. I just eat everything. But I'm gonna try to let those true blue collards go to seed and possibly save some seeds so I can share with you and y'all. So I wanted to show y'all that the winter garden, oops, I felt a couple of raindrops. The winter garden is still growing. Still have collards, and I want to say I've gotten maybe 10 or 11 pickings off of those 6 true blue collard plants so far. And I'm certainly gonna go ahead and harvest that broccoli off of those plants. It's kind of odd that they went to flower, but I really don't know much about broccoli other than I like to eat it. So this is really I think my second year growing some broccoli, but that's okay because I'm gonna harvest some little flowerets and those top broccoli heads and sure enough eat some steamed broccoli. So this is gonna be a short one, y'all, because Lord of mercy, it looks like it's fitting to come a flood and it is chilly out. Hell, I'm fitting to get in this shop and get warm. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and see what old Dan's doing. And with that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Reffert, sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.